Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today we are in the midst of all of our summer projects. This is a design you can find in my Silhouette shop. I'm just using heat transfer today. I am doing an 18 by 18 inch pillow and insert. If you want it stuffed thicker, use a 20-inch insert, and this is gonna go outdoor next to my pool, so let's get started. So I'm starting with an 18-inch by 18-inch insert. I've got a wool mat here I'm using. You can use any mat you want to iron on, but you'll notice it's really not all the way out. The only reason I'm worried about that is for centering the whole thing. So when you put the pillow in it, it might not be totally centered. That being said, it does have a line here that I'm gonna use to help me get this heat transfer on. So I'm just going to, this is gonna be tough because I'm just really, until it's like the pillow's in there, I'm not gonna know completely, but I'm gonna try, I'm gonna attempt to get out some of these creases, and maybe that'll help me see more where the lines are. Okay, it's as good as it's gonna get for the moment. Okay, so the piece I'm gonna do has this great sun on it, and it goes like this, and I can lay the whole thing out before I even get started, which is so nice because then I can make sure everything is centered. So this is a quote in my Silhouette shop. It's just less Monday, more summer. This is an outdoor pillow I'm gonna put out by my pool. So this is done with, I don't know if the insert itself is like an outdoor pillow insert, but the this actual cover I'm not sure about. I just got both off Amazon. Okay, you can see I'm laying it out. I'm also making sure that there's no, if you cut these little pieces closer, like, you know, your clear pieces, then you're gonna be in better shape than me because, and I can't tell, it seems like it's a little bit low. I'm gonna move everything up just slightly. There we go. All right. Because you don't want this like M to be on top of like, you know, like your clear pieces, okay? So once you get that all laid out, and I'm kind of using some fun fluorescent colors here, go ahead and heat it with your iron. This particular heat transfer I'm using does the best when you let it cool before you pull it. So go ahead and heat it and then let it cool. Okay, once it's done cooling, go ahead and start pulling them off. I'm doing one by one. I'm actually starting from the bottom up because that's how I laid it. So I know my plastic pieces here will probably do the best if I do that. And so far so good. And granted, it depends on the kind of heat transfer you're using. This one just likes to be cooled. In fact, most of the ones I've run into likes a cooling. They're not all of them, but it just does better when they're a little bit cooler. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna stuff it, but isn't that so cute? You can find this design in my Silhouette store. If you're looking for more fabulous projects, make sure and join my Silhouette VIP group. You can go to karinagardner.com to grab that, super easy. And make sure and subscribe to the channel because I have lots more summer projects for you guys.